Hi, I'm Suzette Allen, Photoshop instructor of about 22 years, and I'm so stoked to be able to share my creative passion with you in this class. You probably know that Photoshop is the image maker's tool, capable of literally anything. The only limitation is us, right? The learning curve. But that's my specialty, so I'm going to help you make some serious headway in efficiency and show you how to leverage a lot of tools you might not realize how helpful they are. Plus, there's plenty of hidden gems that if you found them, well, you probably wouldn't know what they're for anyway. So here's what we're going to do. 3 days and 3 topics. All useful stuff that you can apply in your business or maybe your hobby and save time and boost your creativity and confidence. Okay, day 1 is Photoshop Image Magic. I want to help you first use Lightroom to get the base enhancements down because it's so efficient. You can do a lot of this stuff in Photoshop, but it's so much faster and easier in Lightroom as far as the base exposure and those kinds of things. Then we'll take your images into Photoshop to enhance and beautify with all the tools in Photoshop that you can't do in Lightroom. There are plenty, like fine retouching, liquify, head swaps, background shifting, all kinds of stuff. Of course, we'll cover the cool bells and whistles like sky replacements and select subject, but I want to help each of you master masking. Masking is the most vital and powerful tool in Photoshop. I'll simplify it so you feel confident using masks and then show you so many hidden tricks to make your digital life easier. It's amazing. What kind of images? We'll focus on people and retouching, but also work with landscapes and artsy compositing techniques. Definitely a well-rounded selection that will apply to any kind of photography you do. As you may know, I'm super focused on efficiency, so you will certainly come away with a faster workflow and some processing methods that will save you time and money. Guaranteed. Day 2 is going to be focused on graphic design. Wait, what? I don't need to learn Illustrator? No, you have so much power to do graphic design in Photoshop, it's amazing. I have a steady job as a graphic designer where I create marketing pieces and design logos and business cards, brochures, catalogs, even books and t-shirt designs. It's so useful, the things that we can make with Photoshop. You might wonder, will I use it that much? Oh, you'll be so amazed at all the opportunities that will pop up once you learn a few techniques for layout and press printing. In this full day design course, we'll cover how to create flyers, business cards for 4-color press printing, how to handle full bleed layouts, and leverage font tools like leading and kerning, even dynamic text tricks like text on a path and really cool type effects. Photoshop also has some powerful tools like Align and Distribute that most people don't even know how to use. Many of us are budding writers, and the books inside us are just waiting for that design spark to light you up and see your imagination come to life. Expanding your visual voice will make you a better storyteller for sure. This day can often be a challenge for many because instead of starting with an image and enhancing it, we start with a blank page at a very specific size and add all the elements. But once you try it out, you'll find that challenge turning into fresh creativity you didn't even know you had. You'll also find social media marketing is easy to pull together with your new text and design skills. Every entrepreneur and creative person will benefit from this course for sure. Day 3 is the big V, Video Basics. The truth is, it's time to learn video. I know we don't want to face it yet, but the train is coming and it's too late to stop it. You may as well get on board and enjoy the ride. The other truth is, because you're a professional photographer, you already have most of the equipment and skills you need to be pretty good. That's a bonus, right? This day-long primer will help you understand the core elements and concepts, help you think like a video person, fill in the gaps, and help you feel some success with video. It can be super daunting in the beginning with new territories and skills needed, like shooting and handling audio, and then editing. Editing. But we'll break it down and get you on your way to leveraging video for marketing and social media. No, we're not going to be able to learn Adobe Premiere in one day. I wish. But we can get some traction with some simple short films and a few other apps that will help get you moving in the right direction. I've been shooting video for about 10 years, creating short hybrid pieces, but finally decided to teach myself video editing with Premiere during COVID. Good way to use those 2 years, right? I'll be glad to teach you what I know, but there are some simple ways to create great video products without the deep dive into Premiere too. I'm delighted to be sharing the most creative tool I know, Photoshop. It is my #1 passion tool. Well, next to my camera. So join me for 3 days of way cool creativity and boost your imaging confidence through the roof.